welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add a stroke to text in Gimp. To start off with, first you need to select your text tool on the left hand side. And we now need to just click where you would like to place your text. And I'm just going to type computer sluggish. And I'm actually going to select my text and just change the font to Arial. Let's go with bold. And I'm going to make it slightly bigger and change the colour to blue. There we go. We got a nice bit of text there. You now need to go ahead and just deselect your text. You can do this by selecting your rectangular tool. And you need to make sure you have your text layer still selected on the right hand side. And we can now go ahead and click on layer. And you now need to go down to transparency. And we now need to click on add to selection. And you will now see that it's selected the outline of our text. And we now need to go back up to the top left and click onto edit. And you now need to go down to stroke selection. And you now have a few different options. We have solid colour or pattern. I'm just going to keep solid colour selected. And we can now choose the line width. At the moment it's on 6. I might actually tone this down to 4. And we can also change the line style if we want. I'm just going to keep it how it is. And once you are happy with those settings and you're also happy with the colour you've got selected, if you want to change the colour, the solid colour, then you need to do this on the left hand side and just double click and then select the colour you would like your stroke to be. We can now go ahead and click on stroke. And there we go. As you can see, it's added a nice black stroke to my blue text. And that is how easy it is to add strokes to text in Gimp. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Also, if you've got a tutorial you'd like me to do in Gimp, then head on over to my forum where you can create a topic and post what tutorial you would like me to do. Don't forget to check out my social channels.